how to book flights in Skyscanner. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can book flights in Skyscanner. In order to book a flight in Skyscanner, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and log in into your Skyscanner account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, you can see in the top left hand side corner you have the flights option. You need to click on it. Then you'll need to select the type of trip that you're actually doing, whether it is your round trip, maybe one way, maybe multi-city, and accordingly you'll be able to book the flight. Once you've done selected, you need to type in where you're actually leaving from or departing from. So select the country that you're currently residing on, and after that you need to select the destination. So click on the where to button and you need to select the country. After that you need to select the date. So underneath you have the dates. First of all, select the month and then select the date accordingly. Click on the confirm button, and you also need to select the class. After you're done, click on the magnifying glass icon, and here you can see these are all the list of available. So select the country. You can see these are all the price range. Select the particular one. After that you'll be able to see number of flights once again. So once again you need to categorize it, so just tap on it and select the date and all that. Click on choose provider, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll need to scroll down a bit and you need to select the provider that you wish to go on with and click on select button. After you're done selecting it, it's gonna take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see the details. Once again you'll be able to see the flight. Here you need to confirm it by tapping on book button. So click on the book button, first of all entering your contact details and all sort of information, and on the next step you need to enter in the card details. So once you're done making a payment, you'll be able to see a confirmation statement stating that the flight has been successfully booked. Gonna be an evidence that you've booked a flight, so that's going to be needed on the airport. You'll need to keep it safe or secure, and that is how you can book flight in Skyscanner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.